Okay, here we go. Safety off. Fire. Look good on that. Here we go. Yep. All right, ready? It's about to say. It happens. All right, ready? And go. Shit, barrel's moving. Oh, I was about to say, if that was my last bullet, then holy crap. Oh god. Man, you need this, man. You need this kind of helmet.
What's on the bottle?
Hell no. Okay, let's see if this thing actually shoots through this. Not really, no.
Getting time to reload it.
And let's switch then. We'll go ahead and just shake this up.
Yeah, I think we can shift it. I think it's slow. Yeah, it's low. Okay, it's 9 BBs low.
Oh, here you go. Why don't you go ahead and use the PDW? I'm going to go reload the shotty and we'll go have some fun.
This makes heavy to be a sponge, man.
It's because it's full of BBs. Okay, how about you start down there and I'm gonna start up here.
How long that?
What, the L85? Yeah. Yeah, why not?
I want to.
You want to. I want to. I want to. Da, 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 da. Oh god, gotta get that 80s song out of my head. That stupid 80s song came in my head going like, I want you, da 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 da. I gotta get it out of my head. Piece of shit gun. Yeah. Fucking break already. Safety up. Make sure to check the safety on yours too, because it's a slide safety thing, like on a shotty. So it's a button, it's the button in front of the trigger guard. It's like a shotgun. It's a slide, it's a little button. Okay, yeah, okay. Okay. And go! Okay. Oh fuck. Oh my god. What is with me today? I am on fire. Oh, it's firing, don't worry, it's just... Yeah, the stupid thing. Like I said, there's a reason I gave it an 8 out of 5. It's mostly just a showpiece gun. It's just...
Yeah.
It's just inaccurate, really.
Yeah.
Oh my, you know what's sad? The first L85, grip fell off, second L85, magazine fell out, third L85, barrel fell out, scope fell, everything was just falling off this thing. Legitimately, you cannot look up these things. If you look up soldiers in Afghanistan with these things, they're covered head to toe in duct tape. But I am getting an AEG variant of it from G&G, hopefully. Yeah, I hope, because it has electronic blowback and all that good stuff. I really hope. Oh god, ain't that
good? Decent gun.
Well, there's the guy who's selling his for like 25 bucks each.
Yeah.
Yes.
He said he only had like pistols and shit.
Oh, fucking hell.
I gotta find a trait though.
Oh yeah.
Because right now, basically my whole check is going to you. So to keep your battery and stuff, so.
Well, of course. Alright, we'll grab the PDW. We're gonna have us some real good fun. Boom.
These springers don't shoot hard enough to break glasses, do they?
Sorta. Maybe. Depends.
I can't keep running them goggles, they keep fogging up on me.
Yeah, it's fine, man. Hey, we're not an official field, so...
Don't try to aim for my head.
I'm not trying to. It's the first thing that pops up.
Just wait for me to pop up and go for my chest.
I'll try. Boom, stupid bugs. Yeah, stupid buggies. Oh shit. Ready? Yeah. Shit. Oh, hello. Pop right out, pop right out, pop it out, pop out, pop out. Shit, no? Yeah, that's on normal. Seriously? Seriously? Are you even shooting anything? Yeah, you're shooting, alright. That's because you're not aiming! This dual bitch. Woo! Hello! Went right by my head. Stupidest thing I've ever done. Dual wielding fucking springs, are you serious? Ah! Oh, hello. No. I don't think so. Ow, motherfucker. Hey, hello. There's a good little dude. Oh shit, are you serious? I knew I hit you with one of my two guns. Freaking dual wielding this whole time. Well, what did I tell you? I had an AEG spring. Oh. Oh, fuck. Bah! No, I wouldn't do that to you, man. I knew one guy who did to me, though.
Watch out for that shotty. It seems to be done a little bit better.
Yeah.
I was like, if you're turning two guns, I'm running my CLK. I was like, that shit ain't right.
I'm gonna go grab that L85, because I'm like I said, I haven't run that thing in a while.
Yeah, I need to reload on my
Yeah.